Welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you are new, hello, my name is Blanca Estela, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be using BH Cosmetics new Neutrals palette. I don't know how to pronounce the first word, but it's this palette right here, and it is so pretty. I was so excited when I saw this palette, and of course I had to buy it. And it comes with shimmer eyeshadows, metallics, and mattes, and the bottom 5 shades are all blushes, and they are all so pretty. And then I'm going to go ahead and start off with this shade right here, and this is going to be my transition shade, so I'm going to put this all over my lid and all the way up to my eyebrow like I do with all my transition shades. But if you are not new to my channel, then you already know this. And I actually went in a couple of times because it actually wasn't showing up on my skin tone, but I actually like that about it. I don't know why, but I do. And then after that, I'm going to be grabbing one of the blushes, this dark peach one, and I'm going to be using this in my crease, and I'm going to be using this to start giving it some color. And I also use this as a blush later on in the video. And I put that in my crease, and I used the same brush, but I didn't bring it all the way up like I did with the transition shade. I just left it in my crease. Now with the pencil brush, I'm going to be grabbing this orangey shade, and this is going to go in my crease to start giving the crease some definition. And I was so impressed with how pigmented this eyeshadow was. Like, I only went in once with it, and that's how dark it got. I didn't expect it to be this pigmented, and yeah, like I only went in once, and then I just went ahead and I did the brush in again, but I went ahead and I did the other eye. But look at that pigment, you guys, like so pretty. And then I'm going to be grabbing the same brush I used for my transition shade. I'm not going to be grabbing any extra product, just with whatever is left on the brush. And I'm just going to start blending this crease out so it won't look as harsh. Now moving on to my lid, I'm going to be grabbing this shimmery pinky shade, and I'm going to be putting this all over the lid. I didn't think it was going to be this light on the pan. It looks darker, but I still like how it looked on the lid. And I also thought it was going to be a little bit more shimmery, but it wasn't. But I'm not mad about it. It still looked really pretty on the eye, and combined with these two shades on the crease. And then I'm going to be grabbing this lighter shade on top of that with my finger, and I'm going to be putting that in the center of the lid just to give the lid a little bit of like a pop and make it look a little bit more shimmery. Now I'm going to be grabbing my IIKONN. I think that's how you pronounce the brand. Their eyeliner. I got this in my Ipsy bag, and I really love this eyeliner. It actually dries down like really matte. Like, you guys can actually tell on camera that it's a matte, and that's one of the reasons why I like this eyeliner. And I also like how easy it was for me to do my wing, and it is super pigmented as well. So I'm definitely going to be purchasing the full size product. And I did go in ahead later, and I did make the wing a little bit longer just to make it look a little bit more sharp. And then for lashes, I'm going to be using my Lash Couture Mink Lashes by Kiss in the style Gala. And then I'm going to be grabbing the same shades that I used in my crease, and I'm going to be putting those in my lower lash. And then I'm going to be grabbing my Milani Supreme Coat eyeliner, and I'm going to be putting that in my waterline, but I also use it to tightline to make the eyelashes look a little bit more blended out. And then I'm going to be grabbing my favorite mascara since day one, the Falsies by Maybelline, and I do use the waterproof one, and I'm going to put that all over my bottom lashes, and I also use it to blend out my fake lashes with my real lashes. And then I did grab that same blush shade, and I used it for my blush, of course, and it was so pretty. It was also pretty pigmented. And then I'm grabbing my Ofra Long Lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Ipsy Unzipped, and this did come in one of my Ipsy bags, and it is a really pretty shade. It went perfect with this eye look.
day we out here vibing. We vibing, we vibing. Even when it's raining down.
And this is the final look right here, you guys. I love how this look came out, and it was really easy to achieve. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please give it a thumbs up if you guys want to see more tutorials with this palette. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye guys.